These are the JBL 1 Series 104 reference monitors. We've been using them for about 4 years. Welcome to Morphilm Academy. Overall, these are fantastic beginner reference monitors at a very affordable price. If you're mainly a video editor that does some sound editing and mixing, or if you're just getting started in the sound editing world, these are great. They sound fantastic for the price, look good, and they're super simple to use. That said, today we won't do a full review. There are plenty of those already on YouTube. We actually just want to talk about some problems we've noticed. First, and worst problem is the headphone jack. It is incredibly noisy. We would even say unusable. We're not entirely sure if it's just our unit, but other people seem to be having the same problem online. Let us know if you've experienced it as well. And if you were planning to buy these for that feature, don't. Second, we noticed that the auxiliary input is much quieter than the rest, so we would advise not using it for any work. Third, they have an auto standby mode that activates after 19 minutes of not receiving any audio signal. We found it incredibly annoying, especially since it requires quite a bit of sound to turn back on. Fortunately, you can turn that off. And lastly, this one is more of a thing to keep in mind, but since the bass output is at the back, we found that if you set them close to a wall, the bass buildup is pretty bad. It becomes a bit overwhelming and muddy, but some acoustic treatment would solve that problem. And that's it. Overall, we love them, and they're more than enough for the work we do. Indeed, we're not a sound mixing studio. Yet, with some acoustic treatment in your editing room, these would also be more than good enough for most of you. And you can complement them with good reference headphones to help where they fall short. Let us know if you've noticed any other problems or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.